Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I just want to make a quick reaction video based on what you are seeing on your screen. This is from Sahara Reporter, and before we go through this post, I would like you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your comment is very, you know, on. Make sure you keep it coming because we are going to read comments, of course, once you comment on this video. Like I said, it's not going to be too long. I want to remind us about this man called Ijele speak. So Ijele is one of those who claim that he knows everything. In fact, without him, everything is not normal. And Igbo people are the this or that. He said all manner of nonsense against Igbo, and he happened to be an Igbo according to him, but DNA may prove otherwise. So I'm not here to tell you that he's not Igbo, he's Igbo, but based on what have come out from his mouth, whether he's from Fulani or anywhere at all, let alone an Igbo person that have said what he have said and disgraced Igbo people, in general. I'm not here. I don't think it is wise for us to start going through what you have said in the past, but we may touch about it little, and I would like to remind you that he said all manner of nonsense stuff about Ojuku, and he said a lot of nonsense stuff against Mas Namonikano, and he said a lot of nonsense against Christianity, against church, name them. He was trying to be popular by be popular in a negative way. He was bragging and that kind of thing. But I don't know who actually deceived him because he did not remember that stand for everything. Okay, so last year they hold him, he was arrested and detained. Since then, he had been in the net of police and have not managed to escape from that. But guess what? So already group, they call them is it revolution now or action now? I can't remember what they call themselves, but you can see them here on the picture holding the banner of Ijele. The question is, why is it that no Igbo person have that time or care to do this kind of thing, protesting on his behalf? Why? Because it's very simple. He is one that destroyed himself in minds of Igbo people. If anything happened to this guy now, I don't think Igbo people will say, "Oh, we lost everybody." I don't think, because he created a enmity for himself from every corner. Imagine a single person having issue with your Christianity and some mega pastors, whether they are fake or real, but you are having issue with them. Then imagine the same person criticizing Igbo people and Igbo politicians, not which is somehow okay. Then he also pick a fight with Christianity, with pastor, like I said, and a lot Muslim Makano, and for anybody that love Muslim Makano, he see you as an enemy. The same thing with Ojuku and all that. These are people who claim that if you want to fight for our people, for freedom of our people, that they will serve as an agent to sabotage everything. But Yoruba people are not the one trying to do their best to release him. In fact, you can see the t-shirt that these people are wearing here. Look at it here. Look and follow the mouse. You can see here. This is the same guy picture. They printed him on their clothes and they're wearing that. They put it on and just to protest and all that. It's not as if this guy is important to them, but maybe because I don't want to think negative about Sowore and his platform Sahara, because all these things is something as if you are not aware of what he have done. If you're not aware of it, anyway, everybody have the right to do or say what they want to say. But the truth of the matter is that he just speak, wish himself what he's going through now. No matter what, all wishing the massacre will buy. Wish a lot of nonsense that come out from this guy. A lot of nonsense came out from his mouth, and he don't feel any type of remorse. Maybe now, maybe he may be feeling it, but before now, he was very arrogant about it, and people don't understand why he's that arrogant. But I do, because I watched him when he was in Turkey, and I know why somehow he transfer his anger and hatred on Mazamukan and IPOB. But let us go through this comment first. this post. It said, coalition of Nigerian activities demand release of social critic Ijele speaks after 1 year detention as his head is rests. Now they keep on talking about his head, his head, his head. I don't know if it's true or not, but be it as it may, he wished other people and he was bragging that he's gonna use army to buy people and all that. Not that it's not as if he bragged about it, but he actually trying to he made an attempt. Do you understand? He traveled to Igbo land to do one or two things. This guy have done a lot of nonsense. I'm not gonna lie to you. And those who know will know. Just like the salary reporter said here that his health and everything, but this is not the first time they talk about his health. This is not the first time. But the truth of the matter is that, in as much as you have freedom of speech, but you don't have freedom to be arrogant, which may also be used, which may also be perceived in your speech. Yeah, so you said you have freedom of speech, but not about make sure that your speech did not affect other people, way of life. So that is all I can say about that. Then, for those of you who may say, "Yeah, but the jail has spent some time, let him be released now, and blah blah blah." You are trying to be nice and trying to make excuse for him and all that. But truth of the matter is that most of the things he said, he not just say it, he tried to act towards it, which is another reason why people like me cannot just flush it away as if nothing has happened when I know fully well that something has happened. Now, the issue is that if anything happened to Igbo, Ijele now, what will be his fate, or what will Igbo people say? I don't think Igbo people will say anything because they understand that no matter Uchibia, and they also understand that people can destroy one another. And the dangerous part of it is that everything he said against Igbo people, against Masamune Kano, actually don't hold any water. But he tried his best to take advantage of his northern connection and all that against our people. We know, and he claimed that everything that the Biafran do is terrorism. So I don't know where to start to remind you about who the person is, what he have done or what he have said, and nobody seems to have time to debunk all that. But time will tell, like they normally say, that everything have time and season. Maybe it is not his time to be released. I'm not praying for his release either because as I'm talking, I'm still remembering everything he said in some of his clips and all that. It is too annoying, very, very annoying. So, my people, please like this video, okay? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about it. Ijele speak. What is your opinion on his detention so far? Do you think it is something that he deserves, or somehow you don't agree with that? I would like to hear from you. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. God bless you, and bye bye for now.